paano na ang paborito nating pork floss bun ng Bread Talk ay nagsimula lang sa mano-mano na paggawa ng candy noon. Meet George Kwek. From selling candy on the streets to building a global F&B empire. Paano to ginawa ni Bread Talk? Pag-usapan natin. Noong 1980s, George went to Taipei to study design, but destiny calls. Hindi siya natuloy sa design. Instead, nagbenta siya ng dragon beard candy sa kalye. Para siyang artisanal cotton candy. At sa galing niya sa negosyo, it grew to 10 outlets agad-agad. Doon niya na-realize that this is it. This is my world, the food and beverage industry. For the next 2 decades, sunod-sunod yung naging ventures niya sa Taipei. Wala siyang takot, try lang siya ng try. Pagbalik niya ng Singapore, ibang level na yung plano niya. He launched the Food Junction, a food court chain so successful at tinawag siyang food court chain. But kahit successful na si George, he didn't stop. In 2000, iniwan niya ang Food Junction at nagkaroon siya ng bagong vision. It's a bread boutique inspired by the Japanese and Taiwanese artisan bakeries. Gusto niya ng open kitchen style, premium breads, at bawat item may kwento. Together with his wife, Catherine, binuksan nila ang first Bread Talk sa Bugis Junction. Boom! It was an instant hit. Yung floss bun nila, the sweet savory, pork floss on top, ang naging legend nila. Sobra tong sumikat. Sumabog ang sales nila at nakakabenta sila ng isang bun every 10 seconds. Can you imagine that? And here's the genius part. Tinapay has always been there. Pero paano niya nila-package? Ginawang aspirational, ginawang kwento, at ginawang lifestyle. By 2003, just 3 years later, Bread Talk was already listed sa Singapore Exchange. At ang market cap nila, halos 500 million Singapore dollars. After that, sunod-sunod ang naging expansion niya. Meron siya ng Toast Box, Food Republic, pati franchise ng Din Tai Fung sa Singapore. Fast forward today, Bread Talk Group has 600 plus outlets in 14 countries. At ang goal nila, 1 billion Singapore dollars revenue by 2029. From street side candy to the global F&B powerhouse. You know what? This is not just the story of a tinapay. It's a story of vision at yung lakas ng loob ni George Kwek. Yung kahit successful ka na, you still dare to dream bigger. At the end of the day, people don't just buy bread. They buy a story, they buy an experience, and they buy into a dream. Ikaw, anong paborito mo sa Bread Talk? Comment mo naman sa comment section.